In February, I was here, and in April, I'm here. Is it because I added plaits into my routine? Are my plaits resulting in me seeing more length? Let's look back at the receipts and we're gonna work it out. You see, this is why pictures and videos are actually really helpful on like a hair journey. So I'm also going to be showing you part of my wash day, and that includes me installing plaits, and this was at the beginning of March 2024. So I recently released a video on whether plaits or twist were better for the maximum length retention. And following that video, I decided that I was going to keep to my normal routine, but I would add plaits into that routine. And since I've been doing that, I've literally gone from armpit length to bra strap length, and that's in just like 2 months. Okay, so here we go. I've been doing length checks at the end of every month, and I'll link the playlist above for you to check those out. And between January and February, my hair stayed right here at line 6 of my t-shirt. Now, I'm not saying this is accurate, the fact that I'm measuring it by my t-shirt and not by a tape measure, but it still speaks volumes. But then between the beginning of March, when I introduced plaits into my routine, and now, which is towards the end of April 2024, I've gone from line 6 to line 9 of my hair growth t-shirt. So what do you reckon? Is it because of plaits? I'm kind of unsure, I don't know. For such a small change to my routine, that has yielded big results, so I'm just not 100% sure. But as my subscribers know, I'm on a mission to grow my hair from shaved to tailbone length within 7 years. And so if I find a way that's gonna help me to smash all those milestones even quicker, then best believe I'm gonna do it. And if you're growing your hair too, then you are definitely in the right place. Now, me and this video that you're gonna see now have gone through it all. After I filmed it, I decided not to post it because my head is cut off. The recording stopped part of the way through because I didn't have enough storage. And also, I took fast and decided to record it in 4K, and that just took up loads of space on my phone. So when I was trying to upload it to places and edit it, it was just causing all kinds of problems. So after nearly 2 months, I finally decided to post it, so enjoy. You know what, today I'm gonna be... Oh, wait. Just before we get to that, I want to mention something that is really, really key. Now, the mistake that many of us make is we kind of think that our hair is not growing. Particularly if you're new to hair growth, you will be thinking that your hair isn't growing and it can only get to a certain length. I want to let you know that that is not true. As long as you don't have any kind of health or scalp condition that is preventing your growth, then your hair is growing. But it's the fact that your ends are breaking off just as quickly as the roots are growing out, and so you're not seeing that growth. The way to change that around is by having a regular and consistent hair routine. That routine consists of washing your hair regularly, moisturizing it, protective styling, and gently handling your hair. And so, as I said, if you're new to hair growth and this is something that you do want to implement, then I would encourage you to head over to the 2024 hair growth challenge, which I'll link above, and you can see a consistent routine that I'm going to be sticking by this year and have been sticking by in order to see more and more growth. It doesn't matter that it's already 4 months into the year, it doesn't matter. Just get started. I promise you're still going to see results. You know what? Today I'm going to be talking you through, again, pretty much my wash day routine without the wash part, because I've washed my hair, but I'm just not going to show you all of that because it's just long. Just long. This is my routine. Now let's get straight into it. Basically, the wash part that you haven't seen is I didn't do any pre-poo. I didn't really do anything with my hair beforehand. All I did is I just got straight into the shower with African black soap shampoo. Obviously, wash my scalp. The first time, the second time I washed my scalp and all the way down the length of my hair. Then I used a deep conditioner this time. It was a Camille Rose one. I think it's like the coconut or something like that. And I didn't leave it on for very long. I probably only left it on for about 5 minutes whilst I was washing the rest of my body. And that's it. I washed it off, hair done. That was earlier, and I then applied some aloe vera juice to my hair, and then I've put this shower cap on and also a couple of bags underneath. So my hair is still really moist and yeah, it's ready for me to just go ahead and replait it. So that's what I'm going to be talking you through. But one difference that I'm going to make in this this time of doing my hair is basically I have plaits. So instead of twists, I'm going to do some plaits. But these are really, really big, so it shouldn't take me long. But you know what? Let's get into it. Oh, do you know what? I'm forgetting that I have plaits and I'm undoing them like twists. Oh my gosh. I'm so used to having twists. I realized plaits are actually harder to undo, which is why I didn't really do them before, and I always usually use twists. You know what? Something I'm going to be trying soon is I'm actually going to be trying and returning to hair grease and just see what that process is like. I have seen a couple of videos of a few YouTubers that I follow, and they use hair grease, like you know hair grease that we used back in the day, basically, you know. Literally hair grease. But I think the difference is, you know, how, I don't know, I think how I used to use hair grease back in the day was I used to apply it to my scalp, but what I've seen people doing is more so applying it to their hair as a sealant, like as the oil. I'm gonna be considering that. Honestly, I don't know if my hair actually needs more of this, but hey, why not? This is actually the first time that I'm detangling my hair today, because as I said, I didn't do anything before I washed it. It's just this, as you see it now, is as it was before it was washed. So this is my first detangle, and actually, let me detangle with the butter, actually, because that just makes it a bit easier. Okay, ooh, this is nice and soft now. Yes. Oh my gosh, if you guys can feel how soft this is. Oh my word, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And it's detangling so easy, considering I haven't undone these twists. Oh, actually, do you know what I did? I did last week. I redid the back ones and the front ones. Look, did you see how easy that just slid out? I don't know if I mentioned that I have a tangle teaser. This was actually given to me from a friend who, I think she already has one or doesn't use this one. But yeah, I'm kind of loving it, you know. Before I was using a wide tooth comb, but actually I feel like this just gets the job done really well. Okay, that's it. Now we just plait. It's kind of unusual doing plaits. Yeah, I don't normally plait my hair, but I think it's going to keep the moisture in much better, which will be interesting. Oh, I'm trying not to borrow hair because that just becomes a real mess, real mess when you're trying to undo it. And I need this process to be really easy. That's why I kept them really big. Okay, so as I get here, I'm just gonna split the hair, the middle hair, and then twist a little bit. And then I'm probably gonna leave the last right at the ends. I'm just gonna leave that because, as y'all know, I always seal with flaxseed gel. So that bit is not twisted, but I'm gonna be sealing it with flaxseed gel. Okay, this is showing my length, you know. All right, well, the hair is done. This is what we're looking like. It's looking really big, but probably I will put it up in a bun. Like, ooh, that looks kind of cute with the two at the back, you know. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, so I'll probably put it up in a bun most of the time. I don't think I'll leave the two out actually, because then I'm not protecting those ends. But that's it. Something like this. What you think? What you think? I kind of like it still. Obviously it's really big. So that's it. Apologies, I did say that you would see the whole journey, but actually my phone memory ran out and it stopped recording, so sorry about that. But I promise you, I literally just stuck to what you saw, you know, me when I did the first plait. It was exactly the same. Key things were aloe vera juice and then I applied the butter. The only thing I did differently this time was I applied more butter than I usually do, and that's because I knew I wasn't going to use the castor oil. And I found that, yeah, my hair was liking that still. I was liking that, especially as I brushed it through with the Tangle Teaser. Yeah. I don't really know what else to say. So that's it. But if you are not part of the 2024 hair growth challenge, then what are you doing? A lot of us here are on this journey and we're growing our hair this year. I specifically am growing my hair from, currently it's at armpit length, but I am intending to grow it down to mid-back length. I did say on one of the videos, maybe even waist length, but I think that's a pipe dream, to be honest, but we'll see. So yeah, if you want to join the 2024 hair growth challenge, or you want to find out what exactly we're doing, then click this video here and you can watch that right now. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed that video. And for more hair growth tips, as I'm growing my hair and learning, I'm going to be sharing those tips and tricks with you. And so if you want to receive that content, then make sure to subscribe and hit a like on this video as well. And I'll see you soon.